Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install MeshCentral on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all installed packages and apply the latest security patches. Next, install the required system packages. MeshCentral requires a modern Node.js runtime. Now, add the official Node source repository. Then, run the following command to install Node.js. Continue to verify the installation. Create the application directory. Next, install MeshCentral using npm. Continue to create the data directory. This directory stores configuration files, runtime logs, database files, and server data. Next, create the configuration file. Paste the following configuration. Now, start MeshCentral manually to verify that it launches correctly. If the server starts successfully, stop it. Next, create the systemd service file. Paste the following configuration. Continue to reload systemd. Then, enable MeshCentral at boot. After that, start the service and check the service status. If Firewall D is enabled, allow SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS traffic. Continue to verify allowed services. Now, open your browser and visit the following URL. Create your administrator account on first login. You should now see the MeshCentral web interface. Finally, your MeshCentral server is now installed and ready to use.